No, seriously. I don't know if I want to do this again.
Ursula, need to relax when it comes to vine swinging. For George. Swing. Come on. Want George of Jungle to tell you special vine swinging secrets?
Fine. Tell me all your secrets.
George's Secrets. There's the shortest book ever written. Wrap it around your socks for a special George of Jungle footlock. Now ready to try again?
No.
Like this, Ursula! We fly through the air with the bravest to be. I'm a daring young man on the flying trapeze.
Good, no hands!
It's so graceful, all girls secretly please, and with love he's swinging away. We fly through the air with the bravest to be. I'm a daring young man on the
Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the king of the jungle.